Hello everyone, this is Chad Fox with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Featured in this video is a 1998 Oceans 48 Super Sport. Owners have kept her in spectacular condition. Same owners for over 20 years. So they have kept up the boat quite well. The wood looks excellent. Look at the back deck. We'll start out by going around to the front. Windows are nice. Deck's in great shape. Still has the bow rail, so that actually adds to the cruisers. There's an ample windlass and anchor. I'll give you a look back, right out front, up to the Flybridge. We'll come back around the other side. Next we'll go up onto the Flybridge. The skirter you see is not included. Here, the rear helm station. Plenty of storage. Head up. So, let you know about the electronics. The GPS and the autopilot do not work. The radar works, the depth gauge, the speed do function. However, like I said, the GPS is not currently functioning. Cushions are new, very nice colors. Goes quite well with the boat. Plenty of seating up here on the Flybridge. Back down. We'll head inside. Beautiful salon, great carpet. Cabinets have been custom done. Let me look at the electrical panel. It does have an ice maker and a sink here in the salon. Recliner. Bed is a convertible, or I should say the sofa is a convertible. Nice galley. So they had the faces of the refrigerators and freezer matched. You have 3 refrigerators and 1 freezer. Now we'll head downstairs. First room you encounter on your starboard side is the first guest berth. Look back. Does go back in there a bit, so there's plenty of room for someone who's a little bit tall. Plenty of storage also in this room. Just past that berth on the starboard side is your washer and dryer. Washer is new. And we move to the port side. You get your second guest berth. This is a walk around. You can get around the port side. Mirror above the bed or behind the bed, plenty of storage, hanging locker, and there's your head. Stand-up shower, so she's going to be a dry head. Nice toilet seat, shelves. Heading back out and forward. So on your starboard side again, this is your second head, and this also has a pass-through to the forward master stateroom. And here's your forward stateroom. Again, center line, so you can walk around. There's storage. And there's another entrance looking at the head. So now we're going to head out and we'll go down into the engine room. I'll just lift the cushion up. So when you come down, immediately on the port side But your air conditioning units and fire suppression system, this is a new Dometic air conditioning unit. On the starboard side is your generator. She is encased. I did have a picture without the front on. They open it up and there you have generator access. And there's a look at your engines. Back through, give you a nice look. Clean bilges. Both sides. And your ray cores are forward. There has been a service done on this, so you can tell cooler's new. Or I should say newer. I think the service was done in 2022. And we come back out onto the deck. And that will conclude our video. My information is coming up, so please reach out for a private showing. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and safe boating, everyone.